To add a McDonald's gift card to the app, start by opening the McDonald's app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, navigate to the Account section by tapping on the icon that looks like a person in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Payments option, which should be listed in the Account menu. This will take you to a screen where you can view and manage your payment methods, including gift cards. To add a new gift card, tap on the Add Gift Card button. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the gift card. Type in the gift card number and PIN carefully, making sure to enter the correct numbers. After entering the gift card information, tap on the Add button to add the gift card to your account. The gift card balance will be updated and you can use it to make purchases through the app. It is also important to note that you can check your gift card balance at any time by going to the Payments section of the Account menu. This will show you the current balance on your gift card, as well as a history of any transactions you have made using the gift card. By following these steps, you can easily add a McDonald's gift card to the app and start using it to make purchases. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and do not share it with anyone. Additionally, you can also use the gift card to order food online and pick it up at the restaurant, or use the self-service kiosk to place your order. The gift card can be used in conjunction with other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, to make it easier to pay for your meals. Overall, adding a McDonald's gift card to the app is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these instructions, you can start using your gift card to make purchases and enjoy your favorite meals from McDonald's.